Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna explain how to create multi-forms using jQuery, PHP, and MySQL. And all the jQuery validation has been added. I'm not gonna show how complete coding part. I'm gonna explain only the top of the coding part so you can understand. And I'm gonna add that in a GitHub channel and I'm gonna paste it. You can use it there. And this is the database that you need first. If you want to run that application, you need to start Apache and MySQL server. And then what are the required thing is you need to create a database, and I'm created the database name as testing and database table name as table login. I inserted one data. I'm going to show it how to insert the data. If you want to know how to create a database, uh, look back my previous video. I've explained how to create a database. Today I'm going to explain how to insert the data and how to create the data in open with. I'm going to give you this open with notepad only. I'm not going to code now. So you can see that database connection code. This is the complete if you want to post some data. And I took my database name is testing root password. This is the basic things of MySQL. If I'm using object oriented, like PDO means object oriented passing of data. This is the some companies may use this terminal. Another some companies may use procedural type of data to post the data. I'm gonna insert FName, LNAME, email ID, password. These are the column names, and you can change these names if you want according to your specification. And I'm gonna pass that in the format of array, so it can be very useful for me to deposit the data. And this is the code not opening at this moment. I'm gonna show it with notepad only. Notepad. And you can see the code. This is the code that that I have written for the multi-forms. I'm going to explain how it looks first. How the form looks like this. First, you need to search localhost slash. I'm gonna name it as that file name is multi-step form. So I'm gonna clicking on that. It looks like this multi-step form. First page, you can enter the data. First, I need to explain this one. But you are Shiva, name Shiva, and my last name is here. I'm just gonna say contact name is rocky@gmail.com. Phone number is, I'm gonna enter something, but date of birth is one month. I'm gonna take it anything. Username is Shiva. I'm gonna take this username is Shiva Kumar. Password is anything I can take here. I'm gonna submit this data. It's navigating to the database. I'm gonna show if I refresh the page comes here, you can see the data was inserted successfully. And how it means this is the code of how the data was inserted, how the thing is gonna work here. This is the data, and I have added the form name, first name, last name. This is the multi-form steps, how to write the multi-forms and all. This is the validation I've added for each and every steps. You can see, and you can see that the jQuery form also open with Visual Studio only. This is the data inserted successfully, and this is styles. I think some today styles are not working properly. I'm gonna add it and show it in the next video. how to uh, how that forms working now. Don't worry. Thank you for watching this video patiently. And upload this video into my GitHub channel. You can refer those things, and it will be free of cost. I'm not gonna charge it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.